Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to delete ledger vouchers in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Display More Reports, then Daybook or Ledger Vouchers to view your entries. This initial step is crucial for locating the exact voucher you intend to remove. Make sure you have the correct access rights before proceeding with any deletions. Once you've found the voucher you need to delete, highlight it and press the Alt+D keys simultaneously. Tally Prime will then ask for confirmation. It's important to be absolutely sure at this point, as deletion is permanent. Confirm your choice, and the voucher will be removed from your company's books. This process is quick but irreversible. Before deleting, remember that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. All linked transactions and financial impacts will be erased. It's highly recommended to create a backup of your Tally data before performing any significant deletions. This safeguards your information in case of accidental removal or if you need to revert changes later. Always proceed with caution. After deletion, double-check your daybook or relevant ledger reports to confirm the voucher is gone. Sometimes, instead of deleting, it's better to pass an adjusting entry to correct errors, especially for audited accounts. This maintains a clear audit trail. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.